Meow, I'm a Noire Cat. So great, man. Meow.
Hi guys, let's start it. Noire Cat, my favorite cartoon.
Okay, Nikki, let's start.
Well guys, so remember, any sculpture start with wire armature because this is support to hold your body on any sculpture. So as you can see on tutorial, I'm sharing with you how I'm building armature body for special for Noire Cat. For humans is different, but it's not big difference, but for any cartoon character this armature will be so good. If you learn how to do armature via armature, you will get there. All right.
I can see all things so clear. It was all pretend. I can find a higher line over the clouds above. I can find a higher ground. I just have to read.
Now we're gonna sculpt the head. Remember guys, always after when you finish sculpting the head, remember to bake it because we don't want to damage our hard work before we attach the body. After when we attach the body, we're gonna sculpt the body and bake all together. And remember my tips, when you bake, always cover with kitchen foil, aluminum foil before you when you're baking. Okay guys, if you have any question, just let me know.
Years have passed and I did not notice. Still I'm thinking about our past. Ooh. Now when you are gone, I can see all things so clear. It was all pretend. You look back and I look back, we don't see the same thing. It's time that we just let it die. Oh, I can find a higher line over the clouds above. I can find a higher ground. I just have to reach past the summit line. I can find a higher line. Find a higher ground. I just have to reach past the summit line to reach higher You sold me out, I did not notice. It's been going on for a while. Ooh. When grace is gone, I can see all things so clear. It was all pretend. I can find a higher line over the clouds above. I can find a higher ground. I just have to reach past the summit line to reach higher love. years have passed and I did not notice. Still I'm thinking about our
Well guys, now nearly we're finishing our Noire Cat. After this, sculpting the body, we're gonna bake it. If you have a question about how to bake the polymer clay, just leave a comment and I will show you my method of baking. If you have any question about anything, just ask me, and I'm using all polymer clay and all the tools, sculpting tools, and any help, happy to help. So thank you for watching. Bye for now. Have a lovely day. Be creative. Thank you.
No, I'm ready. I'm not a cat. No.